Yeah, man, so I start my journey. I'm not about me, I go right in the head. I'm going to Eastern Kingston, you know. Then my driver, yeah. I take the whole road, you know. We're not there on the highway 2000. Yeah, man, go stop. Just drive a nice and easy and I'm here to say, man. I'm here and I take me and I go take care of them. All the costs are there. Well, I hear some troll there. All the costs are there. I say, I come in and I play. Oh, no, I don't want to let me get and watch this right now. Take about them, bro. Cheers. I left out of Maypen town, I go to Kingston, you see, man? Yeah, see, I go to chest beer town. Yeah, driver, you just find it now. I'm going to pay all the time. After we have a bus in our place, lionheart 21 record. I don't know, keep cameras in our place, Glama Blak. I know them a fix up road, 2 p.m. night. And we run separate rasta around the road.
Yeah?
On the bus are there.
No, we just something there.
Black man, right through the road, Glama Blak. On a low card, come in and play. You're a nice woman that give me a car. You're paradise and thing. And you're careful to set up a fire. But that's a man that say a real gangster you play. On the butter. To the driver, I real life, go over. Miami, America, I go. I must have my 10 million views. Come follow me.
When Bobby draw the bank, no run it in the book, and that's why.
You see them bumper journey, yeah?
I run it in there.
And the rasta journey.
We don't know what it is. When you come in and tell me, I'm not telling you, say, bank, if you miss money back, I have to tell you. Let me tell Margaret that I'm 4 times you send me money back.
What are they now?
Don't do no give me the pagan.
Now come. The driver, yeah.
Driver, turn off his song.
Sir, you can't be the people unless you ask for permission,
Nobody not
right?
traveling money.
So please don't move the catch you. So what kind of
Nobody not drawing the money. I enjoy money and nothing
You know, that's illegal, right? What you doing is illegal. You know that?
What's that?
It's illegal. You're not supposed to be videoing people unless you ask.
Who tell me that I need permission?
No, it's illegal.
No, who tell you?
If you ever police...
No, who tell you? Alright, you're the pan camera now. Are you attack? I'm gonna picture you. Are you attack? So who give me permission?
Me catch another bus for you.
Look like you're more well.
I'm not in for